take you from a naive newbie to a real estate rainmaker using tax codes and things that entitle you to privacy protection and increasing your profits. Listen, who's meeting me tomorrow in the Zoom room? I am going to be in Zoom at Revenue Reboot Live. Yes, you've seen my videos, and we're going to have a conversation about how you can make sure you're taking advantage of everything that's entitled to you as a real estate professional and investor. Yes, the system is designed to reward us. Grab your seat. We're going to have a conversation about everything you need to be doing. Not everything, it's too many things, but we're going to pick three things you can do this year to increase your revenue profits. You ready? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Those of you who know me and have worked with me, you know I love live interactions. I love being able to answer questions, meet people, and I've had a conversation with a lot of you who said you're going to be there. So I am happy and excited. Okay, so the seats are limited in the Zoom room. Everybody's not going to get in, but grab your link to the Zoom room and meet us for 3 things that you can implement in your tax business this year that the gurus, your accountant, or your attorney may not be telling you. So I'll see you tomorrow. But listen, also in the meantime, I've included a CPA. It's a CPA capital creation checklist. It's 10 questions and how much it costs you not to have those answers that I want you to download. So if you don't make it to the Zoom room, guess what? Download it anyway and go have that conversation with your accountant. Now listen, there's nothing for sale in the room tomorrow. If you want to buy, if you don't, the CPA checklist, it's not for sale. It's a gift. But I want you to go back and have a real conversation, because your CPA is not omitting these things on purpose. They're just too busy. They're way too busy. So listen, you take responsibility, be the quarterback. Y'all know I'm a football girl. It's the last quarter. I want you to play until the end of the 4th quarter. Go have a conversation. You be the quarterback of your business. Go find out what it is you need to be implementing. And if they don't know the answers, ask them to find out. If they can't, don't have the time, glaze over, set an appointment to talk to me and I'll help you out as well. So I'm sending you back to your own people. Go find out what you're not doing and go do it. I promise you, the money for your next deal is in your business. The money for whatever it is you need, that vacation, college tuition for this year, I don't know what you need, it's in your business. Our system is designed to reward us. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, December the 2nd, Tuesday, 7 p.m. Eastern. 3 things your accountant may not be telling you, your CPA or the gurus, that when you find out will be a game changer and put a lot of money back in your business. All right, we'll talk tomorrow. See you later. Bye.